Hello, this is Vanessa Weber, and I'm here at the Intersolar Conference, and I'm talking with Peter Flaxman from Keiko. He's the CEO of the U.S. division, and he's going to tell us a little bit about Keiko as a company, as well as their sustainable practices. How are you, Peter?
Fine, thank you, Vanessa.
Very good. So tell us a little bit about your company.
Keiko is the world's second largest PV inverter manufacturer. We manufacture our products in Germany, but we do have a sales office here in San Francisco in the beautiful Presidio. We manufacture inverters both on the commercial side, large inverters for installations either on large rooftops or out in the desert for big PV plants. We also historically have a very strong foothold with residential inverters. We build inverters from basically 1.5 kilowatts all the way up to over 100 kilowatts, offer monitoring software that goes with it. And Keiko's been doing this since the 1960s, basically.
Very nice. So we have the big inverter back here. So could you tell us a little bit about this?
Yes, this is actually a 100 kilowatt inverter manufactured by Keiko in Germany. It's mainly used either, if you could imagine, putting a PV system on the roof of a Walmart. You can use this kind of inverter for a large system, or then if a utility like PG&E would like to build a large park out in the desert, this is also the type of inverter that you would use.
Do you do the installation as well, or do you have other companies come in, or are you just the manufacturer? How does that work?
We manufacture these products, both commercial and residential. We have partners in the industry. Some of them are distributors who then sell it on to the people who install it. We also work with some installers and industry professionals directly if they are seasoned enough. Usually in an installation of this size, we will send one of our engineers out to help commission the product. But usually they do all the wiring, set everything up, and then before the switch is thrown, we go out, take a quick look, make sure everything's done correctly, just because it is higher power and it does become a little bit dangerous, so we want to make sure that it's done correctly.
So this is an area, where would you see something like this? You said in somewhere like Walmart. Where in the U.S. are there actual boxes like this?
These are spread out all over the country in terms of this size level. Mm-hmm. Since we're launching this product here for the U.S. market at this show, we've only got 2 installations currently. They're test installations. We have, although, because we are originally from Europe, we have several hundred of these units spread out throughout Germany, Spain, Italy, France, and they've run well. We've done some modifications for the U.S. market, which is why we've now come up with this model, and hopefully soon they will be spread all across the country.
Well, very nice. So let's go over, and I know you want to talk to us a little bit about the boxes for the residential application, so let's go and do that. Okay, so Peter, tell us a little bit about this product.
Okay, as you've mentioned, it's our residential line. We've spoken about the commercial products that you use for large-scale installations. When it comes to Mr. and Mrs. Smith putting a PV system onto their roof to contribute in their way to the environment, or even just for purely financial reasons, they would wind up connecting their PV panels to a smaller inverter, a residential inverter. They come in sizes from 1.5 kilowatts for very small systems, all the way up to 5 kilowatts. Our O2 series inverter, it's the newest series that we're just launching here at the show as well. One of the nice features that it has is it's got an integrated AC and DC disconnect. From your angle you might not really be able to see it, but there is a switch here, you can hear it as you flick it. Once you flick that switch, you've got your DC and your AC disconnected, which is a new requirement by the National Electric Code, so you don't have the cumbersome installation of manual disconnects, separate disconnects, and it's also a price question. So we've integrated all this with the installer in mind to make it a very simple box. If you look inside here, you have your connection. You connect your system, your PV system on the DC side. You connect your mains, your grid to the AC side, and that's it. It's really, from our experience, has shaved 40-45 minutes off of the entire installation process, which again is valuable time to the installer. We've also created a very, very simple monitoring device. It's a little card that you can click in here, snaps into place, It gets connected very easily with a little ribbon cable, and then all you do is snap in an Ethernet cable and connect it to your router. And the card itself will automatically drill its way through to our server, and from there you can monitor your PV system online for free. You can see what the energy is produced today, what you did during the month, how much money you've saved. And even if you type in what your utility does it have a coal-fired power plant or an oil-fired power plant, you can even see how many kilograms of coal you've avoided and all the CO2 emissions. In terms of doing monitoring these days, some of the solutions out there are rather expensive. They encompass a lot of different components that you have to do. I showed earlier we've got this little card. You plug in an Ethernet jack. It automatically drills out to our server, and then from there you have the different options. You can either go to your own dedicated website, so your PV system will have its own website with a little picture. If you give us the picture of the PV system, it'll have all your data. We also have now this function where we can then send the information via an RSS feed to a digital picture frame, as many people have at home, to show their photos from vacation. These digital picture frames now come in a wireless version where they automatically pick up your pictures from your home laptop or whatever computer you have. And this same technology gets used to show you your performance data of your PV system. So a very simple wireless, needs a power cord. You can buy it at any Best Buy. And we can provide you the code that you need to enter, and then it starts showing all the data of your PV system. It doesn't really stop there. As you can see here, we can also put it onto an iPod, for example, or an iPod Touch, an iPhone, any kind of communication device that has a display and a wireless capability. You'll be able to watch and see how your system performs. My father, who has a PV system in Florida, he's actually out in the golf course bragging to his friends, look at how much money I've made in the 18 holes that we've played. So it's really, once you provide the technology to the consumer, you can really see they find all different kinds of applications. We have one customer who's put the little RSS feed into his Facebook website, so there's many things that can be done. And we like providing that technology.
Very nice. And also I know that you as a company, you're very interested in sustainability. So tell us a little bit about how Keiko as a company is having sustainability practices.
The founder of the company in Germany, Mr. Ralf Hoffmann, it's an issue that's very dear to his heart. He originally started building these PV inverters because he wanted to be in the space of renewable energy. If you ask him what he does, his usual sentence is, "I save the world one roof at a time," and he really does believe that. We've actually made it a central piece of our marketing and communication efforts. We have a video that explain in detail what we do. In essence, we're a CO2 neutral manufacturer. All the electricity needs that we have, we cover through our own PV plants. The heating needs, we cover through a biomass heating facility. We have very strict rules. We have several factories. They're about a mile apart from each other. People are not allowed to use their cars, their carbon-burning cars, to drive between the facilities.
Could you tell us a little bit about your employee treatment and practices?
Yes. Well, first of all, we're in San Francisco. It's a city that in itself already is very much focused on providing a safe and productive work environment for employees. On top of that, we're a German company. I myself am German. I've for many years enjoyed the benefits of the German social system. We actually have, when you count all the personal days and vacation days together, we have 28 days of paid vacation here at Keiko. In the US as well, we've taken a lot of the practices that we know from Europe, and we've implemented them here because we don't really see any difference in the employees we have in Germany versus the employees we have in the United States.